Hey guys, it's Gina. I want to share this metal picture frame that the brand sent over for me. Super nice of them. First of all, this has a stand-up type hinge on the back, so you can stand it either vertical or horizontal. What I will tell you ahead of time is there is no way, there's not any type of connection on the back to actually hang this. So it is a frame that you're going to want to plan on sitting on something. It does have a nice velvet texture on the back. If we slide this off, I will tell you it does slide off very nicely. Take out the little pretend picture. What is important to note that you do have real glass inside here. So if you're going to have this sitting in a place where it might get knocked off easily, keep that in mind. It is not like some of these types frames have like a plastic or plexiglass inside there. This is not. This is real glass. The other thing I want you to know is the outside here, the metal, these little paw prints, they're super cute. They are actually three-dimensional raised up. The actual bones that you see, these are actually cut out. So on the other side of this is that fabric that you see on the back. That's what's coming through in these cut out bones. But this is a super cute photo frame. It holds a 4" by 6" picture. Great for your favorite fur baby. I know that that's who I'm going to be probably put a picture of Rio in here. But if you are looking for a really adorable picture frame for your little furry animal, this would be a cute one to take a look at.